Okay, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here. This just arrived from UPS, shipped it, so I'm a bit under the weather today, so this is gonna be quick. And if I'm babbling, I got a bit of a fever. But hey, when something shows up that you want, you open it. So all three are going to be projects. Let's see which beauties first. Oh, there we go. Semi-auto in camo. I know this one is, I think this one is missing some parts. I cannot remember, to be honest. But we'll get into this one another day. Oh, this is the one I really want to open. So this is in hideous condition. Horrible condition, but it was cheap. So that stock is way worse than I expected. But hey, when the price is right and you want a project, the price is right. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna make a whole new stock. That looks like garbage. This one is missing, well, it said it had the bolt in a bag on the side, so. All right. Part of one. Okay, we got several parts in here. So classic 2000 semi-auto 12 gauge. Well, as with a lot of the stuff I end up buying. This was somebody's project that they never finished or barely started in some cases. But that cold woodsman I got was also a parts gun, taken apart improperly, and somebody really didn't know how to put it back together, because that was worth a lot more than crap. Worth a lot more than I paid. And I fired it at the range the other day. I should have taken a video of that, but you know, having fun at the range. So yeah, 3 of the upcoming projects. So we'll do a little woodworking, do a little mechanical on these. I don't think I'm keeping this stock. I don't even think it's worth trying to salvage. It's just a very, very poor quality job. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see that Colt Woodsman or any of the other projects, the Jazzmaster guitar, I've got some other guitars I'm going to be doing up, a couple of Telecaster builds, and those are from scratch. Those are kits that I bought for my kids, and they didn't want to put them together, so I am going to build them for them, it seems. Okay, thanks for watching.